How's it going, everyone? This is the Open Coder. Today I'm going to be talking about infrastructure as code and the role that Ansible plays in infrastructure as code in large software settings. So what is infrastructure as code? Basically, infrastructure as code allows companies to create technological infrastructure using code from a bunch of different programs. Traditionally, system admins would have to, add configuration files to, uh, thousands of servers possibly, and infrastructure as code allows us to instead write scripts that configure all of these from one place, so making it more reliable, less places for failure, and decreasing costs. So a huge part of that is Ansible, and today I'll be running through a quick demo of how Ansible works. So I have a VM here of Fedora 33. And first I'm going to show the playbook that I'm running. So we have a hello world.yaml. So all of Ansible is uses YAML files, which you have to be very specific about the indentation or else it won't work. So here we see the name of the playbook, which is basically what is going to be ran. Is called, this is a hello world example, and it's going to be run on the local host, but normally you'll have a file showing which hosts over SSH are going to be running these files. But since we're running on localhost today, I'm going to just say the connection is local. And then we can list tasks for what we want this playbook to do. So for this, we're just going to do really simple. We set the name, and you always have to have one of these lines here in front of the name, and give it a descriptive name. So we're just saying it's making this test file.txt in the temp directory, and it's going to say hello world. And so here is the main part of our task. It's called the module, the copy module. We're only using two attributes, the content, which is what's going to go inside of the file, and the destination. So if we exit this real quick, I can bring up, this is the copy module, and it's showing all the documentation for what you can, like all the parameters you can use. So this one is actually pretty beefy, and Ansible docs always give you a bunch of examples, but there are hundreds of thousands of modules being made by other developers, or some of them are standard. So if we run this playbook, we're going to say Ansible-playbook and then the file. You'll see it's running the task. It says OK. Okay, so we see that it went through successfully and it changed one file, so we can cat the temp file and we should see hello world inside of it. Yep, and there we go. Hello world right there. So yeah, this might seem like a very simple version of just getting a file to say hello world, but when you expand this to running thousands of configuration files on multiple machines, you can see the power that Ansible has. So thank you. Have a good day.